Introduction to Data Visualization in Enterprise. Data visualization is the process of turning important information into clear pictures such as charts, graphs, colors, and icons. In the Stage 6 Enterprise Computing syllabus, students learn how enterprises use data visualization to understand large amounts of data quickly and make better decisions. The fitness dashboard is a good example because it shows different types of workout data in a simple and visual way.
An introduction to data visualization of the Stage 6 Enterprise Computing syllabus. Data visualization is the process of turning important information into clear pictures, such as charts, graphs, colors, and icons by telling a story. Students studying enterprise computing in Stage 6 learn how businesses use data visualization to understand large amounts of data quickly and make better decisions. A fitness dashboard is a good example because it shows different types of workout data in a simple and visual way. By using colors, symbols, and graphs, the dashboard helps gym members compare calories burned, heart rates, BMI, water intake, and workout time without reading long reports. This makes information easier to understand, especially for busy enterprises that need fast and accurate insights.
The fitness dashboard is a strong example of data visualization, which is a key part of the Stage 6 Enterprise Computing syllabus. Data visualization means turning complex data into easy-to-understand visuals like charts, graphs, colors, icons, and numbers. Telling a story using data, the dashboard brings together many pieces of information about fitness activities, such as total users, different workout types, yoga, strength, cardio, HIIT, weekly workout hours, calories burned, BMI, fat percentage, and heart rate, and water intake by age group. Instead of reading long tables or written reports, the dashboard uses visual elements to communicate information quickly. It uses colored tiles to highlight each workout type, bubble charts to compare BMI, fat percentage, and calories, donut charts to show fat percentage for each workout, bar graphs to show heart rate and water intake, icons and symbols to support understanding. These visuals help users easily see patterns and trends, such as which workout burns more calories, which age group drinks the most water, how fat percentage changes across activities, differences in heart rate for each workout type. The left panel allows users to select their experience level: beginner, expert, intermediate. This shows how dashboards support interactive media, allowing users to filter the data based on their needs, an important feature in modern enterprise systems. In the Stage 6 Enterprise Computing syllabus, data visualization helps students understand how enterprises use digital tools to make informed decisions, communicate information clearly, monitor trends in real time, support business performance and user needs. This dashboard demonstrates how good UI, user interface, and strong UX, user experience, help people read information easily, compare results, and make better choices. Overall, the fitness dashboard shows how enterprises use data visualization to turn large amounts of data into meaningful insights. This is why data visualization is an important skill in enterprise computing, because clear visuals help organizations understand their data and solve problems more effectively.
In conclusion, data visualization is an essential tool in modern enterprises because it turns complex data into meaningful and easy-to-read visuals. Dashboards like the fitness example show how clear design and good organization help users find patterns, understand trends, and make informed decisions. In enterprise computing, learning how to read and create visualizations prepares students for real-world workplaces where data-driven choices are important. Effective visualization improves communication, supports problem-solving, and helps enterprises operate more efficiently.